What foods are high in magnesium? 5 foods high in magnesium. Magnesium is an important mineral that the body uses to control muscles and nerves. About 60% of the magnesium in your body is found in bone, while the rest is in muscles and soft tissue. It also helps keep your bones strong and your heart healthy. In this video, we will discuss the recommended amount of magnesium for adults, the benefits of magnesium, and 5 foods that are high in magnesium. Studies suggest that about 50% of people in the US and Europe get less than the recommended daily amount of magnesium. The National Institute of Health makes the following recommendations of magnesium intake in adults. Adults 19 to 30 years, men 400 milligrams daily, and women 310 milligrams daily. Adults 31 plus years, men 420 milligrams daily, and women 320 milligrams daily. What are the benefits of magnesium? As you get older, you lose bone density, which means that you are at a higher risk of bone fractures and osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a disease in which the density and quality of bone is reduced, making bones more fragile. People with higher magnesium intake have higher bone density, which reduces their risk for fractures. Magnesium may also boost exercise performance. During exercise, you may need 10 to 20% more magnesium than when you're resting, depending on the activity. Studies have shown that supplementing with magnesium can boost exercise performance for athletes, the elderly, and people with chronic disease. Magnesium plays an important role in normal heart function. It works with calcium, which helps stimulate muscles, while magnesium helps relax them again. This allows the heart to beat regularly and rhythmically. Magnesium deficiency can cause heart arrhythmia or irregular heartbeats. What foods are high in magnesium? Whole grains. Whole grains are a good source of magnesium, specifically whole wheat. These include brown rice, whole wheat bread, oatmeal, wheat germ, and 100% bran. Dark leafy greens. Dark leafy greens are high sources of magnesium. Spinach, chard, broccoli, and artichokes are a few examples of vegetables high in magnesium. What foods are high in magnesium? 5 foods high in magnesium. Seeds, nuts, and legumes. Seeds, nuts, and legumes are healthy snacks in general, but they are also a great source of magnesium. These may include almonds, cashews, peanuts, lentils, hummus, and pumpkin seeds. Adding nuts to a leafy green salad is a sure way to enjoy a meal packed with magnesium. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate has 64 milligrams of magnesium in a 1-ounce serving. It is a great snack to satisfy your sweet tooth and is loaded with antioxidants beneficial for your heart. Cultured yogurt. Cultured yogurt, like Greek yogurt, has gut-healthy probiotics, as well as 30 milligrams of magnesium per cup. Should you take a magnesium supplement? If you have a medical condition, check with your doctor before taking magnesium supplements. Getting enough magnesium is essential for maintaining good health. When magnesium is taken at the recommended amount for adults, it can help build bone density and reduce fractures, ensures optimal function of the heart, and reduces risk of arrhythmia. Whole grains, leafy greens, seeds, nuts, and legumes, dark chocolate, and cultured yogurt are all high foods in magnesium. Be sure to eat plenty of magnesium-rich foods or take a supplement if you're unable to get enough from your diet alone. Without enough of this important mineral, your body can't function optimally.